نحمده ونصلي على رسول الكريم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to Quran Made Easy, ayah by ayah, word by word, lesson number 12. We are still in Surah Baqarah, the second part of fourth ayah. وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ, and they have sure faith in the hereafter. And they have sure faith in the hereafter. وَبِالْآخِرَةِ, and in the hereafter. وَبِالْآخِرَةِ, and in the hereafter. Whom they. Whom they. يُوقِنُونَ, have sure faith, or they are certain. يُوقِنُونَ, have sure faith, or they are certain. Bil-akhirah, made from two words, ba and akhirah. Bil-akhirah. Ba is from al-huruf al-jar, prepositions. And huruf al-jar gives kasra to the following word. So here ba is giving kasra to the akhirah. Bil-akhirati. It's not bil-akhirata or bil-akhiratu. So all the time when preposition comes or huruf al-jar comes, then the following word will have kasra. And we have learned this in lesson number 32. Learn Arabic with ease. So make sure you watch that lesson. Yuqinun is on the wazn of yuf'alun, is the jama sigha, plural sigha, yuqinun. And please watch lesson number 34 and 35. Inshallah, you'll understand the present and future tense and how it is made yuf'alun. Yuqinun, the past tense is ayqana. Ayqana mean he was certain. Ayqana. And the future and present tense is yuqinu. Yuqinu. Ayqana yuqinu. Ayqana yuqinu. Make sure you memorize this. Ayqana yuqinu, because this will help you in the future, inshallah. Ayqana yuqinu. Ayqana yuqinu. Ayqana, he was certain. Yuqinu, he will be certain. He is certain, or he will be certain. Ayqana yuqinu. To understand, you know the word yaqeen. Most of us use the word yaqeen in different languages. So this came from yaqeen. Yaqeen. Ayqana yuqinu. So many places yuqinun comes. Whenever you see yuqinun or something similar to it, it means certainty or have strong faith. In this ayah, أَنَّ النَّاسَ كَانُوا بِآيَاتِنَا لَا يُوقِنُونَ, indeed the people were of our verses not certain. I mean, they had not strong belief in our verses. So yuqinun. In another verse, وَجِئْتُكَ مِنْ سَبَإٍ بِنَبَإٍ يَقِينٍ, and I have come to you from Saba with certain news. So here yaqeen, the word yaqeen. In another ayah, إِن كُنْتُمْ مُوقِنِينَ, if you would be certain. In another place, لِيَسْتَيْقِنَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْكِتَابَ, so that the people of the book will be certain. So all these are from ayqana yuqinu. Whenever you see yuqinun, muqinun, yaqeen, muqinin, al-muqinin, al-muqinun, liyastayqana. So when you see yaqana or waqana, something close, yaqana or waqana, it means have strong faith or certainty. وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ, and they have sure faith in the hereafter. So make sure you memorize the past tense and the future tense and look in the Quran if you can find similar words which are made from yuqinun, yaqeen, yaqana, waqana, and try to find it, or whenever you're reading, try to pay attention if these word comes. This is it for this video. We'll see you in the next video. It is your time to study now. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to study. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this from us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and ring the bell for the upcoming videos. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun, wa salamun ala al-mursaleen, walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.